If you're searching for information about VectorUbi AI, you're in the right place. In this video, we're diving into 7 crucial things you need to know about this just released AI software that could change the way you approach digital marketing. Stick with me until the end, and I'll not only share everything you need to know about VectorUbi AI, but also give you the chance to try it for free through the first link below. Now, let's get into it. VectorUbi AI is a powerful new tool designed for marketers, entrepreneurs, and businesses looking to leverage the power of artificial intelligence for smarter, data-driven decisions. This software stands out by integrating AI in a way that's accessible, flexible, and designed to save you time. One of the most exciting aspects of VectorUbi AI is its ability to analyze customer behavior and predict trends with remarkable accuracy. This can save you hours of data analysis and improve your marketing strategies significantly. Instead of manually analyzing countless data points, VectorUbi AI does it for you, identifying key trends and providing actionable insights in minutes. What's also impressive is how this AI tool adapts to different business models. Whether you're a small e-commerce store or a large corporation, VectorUbi AI can be tailored to suit your specific needs. This level of customization allows you to fine-tune your strategies and improve your ROI without being bogged down by technical complexities. Another standout feature of VectorUbi AI is its intuitive interface. It's built for ease of use, which means you don't need to be a tech expert to get started. Whether you're managing marketing campaigns or analyzing performance metrics, the dashboard is clean and user-friendly, so you can focus on making decisions rather than getting lost in complicated setups. The software also offers powerful automation capabilities. You can automate repetitive tasks such as content generation, customer engagement, and even performance tracking. This frees up your time, allowing you to focus on more strategic aspects of your business. It's a game changer for anyone who wants to optimize workflows and increase productivity. Security is another area where VectorUbi AI shines. With data privacy becoming a bigger concern, this software ensures your customer data is safe and fully compliant with industry standards. You can rest assured that your sensitive information is protected, allowing you to use the tool with confidence. One thing that sets VectorUbi AI apart from other software is its integration capabilities. Whether you're using CRM systems, email marketing platforms, or analytics tools, VectorUbi AI plays well with others. This seamless integration makes it easy to incorporate into your existing workflows without any disruptions. Lastly, what really makes VectorUbi AI stand out is its AI-powered insights, which allow you to anticipate shifts in the market. If you're in a competitive industry, this predictive power can give you a crucial edge over your competitors. By using AI to make data-backed predictions, you're more prepared for changes in customer behavior and market trends. Now, if you're intrigued by what you've heard, here's some good news. You can try VectorUbi AI for free from the first link in the description below. After testing thousands of AI tools, I found that only a few stand out, and VectorUbi AI is definitely one to keep an eye on. If you're looking for more AI tools to boost your business, I've also included my recommended software in the description. These are the best ones I've tested, and they come with free trials, so you can get started without any risk. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check out the links below to start using VectorUbi AI and other powerful tools today.